Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to delete Coinbase account using a mobile device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To delete or close your Coinbase account, first tap open your Coinbase app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in and you're in the main home page, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left-hand corner. Now, in the expanded menu, tap on Profile and Settings right under your name. Scroll down until you see a button that says Close Account. Before closing your account, make sure that you have zero balance left on your Coinbase. Make sure to send your balance to a different Coinbase user's email, or you can also donate the balance that's too small to a non-profit that distributes cryptocurrency to people living in poverty by connecting them to an open financial system. Once you take care of your balance and send it to somewhere else, you can now easily delete your Coinbase account. Tap the Close Account button and tap Close Account in the pop-up one more time at the bottom. This will take you to coinbase.com in a web browser. Now, you'll be able to see this interface that says Close your Coinbase account. Type in your password associated with your Coinbase account you'd like to delete in the text box. Once you type in your password, tap Close Account button. Scroll all the way down and tap on Close My Account, and that way you'll be able to close or delete your Coinbase account using a mobile device. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.